This is Oleg with OpenBOM, and today I'm going to talk about OpenBOM and cloud CAD integrations. So as you probably learned already, between different OpenBOM integrations, some of them are with the CAD systems that are running on the desktop, but some of them are cloud or cloud-enabled CAD systems, and today I'm going to talk about two of them. One of them is the Autodesk Fusion 360, and another one is Onshape. OpenBOM has integrations with both of those systems, and first of all, to learn, cloud CAD integrations are available on app stores. So the one that you can see is a cloud integration with Autodesk Fusion 360. It's available on the Autodesk App Store. So when you go to Autodesk App Store, you can download this integration for Mac and for Windows. And since I'm running on my Mac now, the integration that we see is on the Mac. We download the integration, following the steps of the instructions how to install it, and then you get OpenBOM running inside of Autodesk Fusion 360. So what you can see is that OpenBOM runs with the special toolbar, and this toolbar is enabling integration to extract bill of materials. Now the interesting thing is that OpenBOM is running in the special window, and this is the window is similar to what other windows where Fusion 360 runs the application. So you can close it, you can open this, and you can also update the bill of materials with your design, and OpenBOM can extract information from Fusion. There are some very useful options in our new integration with Fusion, which allows us to extract images and also extract sizes of the parts. Can be very useful, and you can resize the window and you can get information to the bill of materials. Very useful. This integration is currently available as a private beta. If you want to try it, reach OpenBOM on support@openbom.com, and we will give you an access to this integration. The second integration I want to focus on is integration with Onshape. Onshape integration is also available on the App Store. Now, if you are in Onshape, there is an App Store available for Onshape applications, and you can see OpenBOM available in the data management section of this integration. You see the integrated cloud app is the one that runs inside of Onshape in an integrated window. So you can see description here, rating, and if you want to run the application is available after the installation, and is accessible with this plus sign in Onshape, which is access to all applications installed. So when I accessing application for OpenBOM, you see again it's very similar to what you've seen with the Fusion, that OpenBOM is integrated within cloud application frame, and we extract data from Onshape, and bill of materials will be available inside Onshape. So what the common thing between these two integrations and all other CAD integrations, that you can see that OpenBOM is capable to run inside of other applications. Because of the OpenBOM is a cloud application, it's available in the browser, and we can integrate OpenBOM with any cloud-enabled or cloud browser applications. So if out-of-the-box cloud integration is not available, you can ask us to provide custom integration or make integration using OpenBOM REST API. The last thing I want to show you is that OpenBOM is also integrated with cloud storage. So if I am inside of OpenBOM bill of materials, we can integrate with different cloud storages by adding so-called OpenBOM reference properties. So let me add to this bill of materials. Let me add to this bill of materials a property which will keep link to the part specification. So link to specification, And let's make this property reference property. So important, the reference property can keep link to external places and to cloud storage. So I'm adding this property, so we have link to spec. And for example, if I want to put this M16 NUT specification in this place, I can right click on this property and I can edit reference property. So the interesting thing you can see here, different things can be done. So first I can put a link and display value. So imagine I found this nut, M16 nut on the Fastenal, and I get the link to the specification, so I can capture this link and I can put this link to my URL in the reference property, and I can put, for example, this one as a display value. And here it is. This is the link. It looks like a normal URL. When I click on this link, I'm getting directly to the specification. And what if I want this specification to be somewhere available for me and not on the global storage, whereas the Fastenal and somebody else is keeping this data? So I can download this file, and if I downloaded this file, it's here already. So I can open it. But now what I would like to do, I would like to edit reference property, and I want to put this link in one of the connected cloud storages. OpenBOM is supporting 4 cloud storages out of the box: Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and Box. Other can be available, so if you don't see a cloud storage that you use in this icon, please reach us on support email and we will help you to integrate custom cloud storage. But if I would like to put this PDF file to my Dropbox account, I click on this button. I'm getting to my Dropbox account. I need to log in. And now I can put the data, so I can upload files that I downloaded before. So that's my M16 specification. I uploaded it to my Dropbox. So the file is going to my Dropbox account, and as I selected this file, I now can see that this is the PDF file that I uploaded, and I can choose this file. And now pay attention, the link goes to my Dropbox file. So that looks like similar situation. In one case it goes to Fastenal, but now if I click on this, I'm going directly to my PDF viewer. Isn't it cool? I think you can put and link it to any information that's located in your cloud storages. Is it public cloud storage, private cloud storage, or any corporate cloud storage? So getting back on what you've learned, OpenBOM can be integrated with any cloud and web application. So it's either application which is cloud enabled, where the application runs on the desktop but integrated with cloud storages, and cloud services like Autodesk Fusion 360 is integrated with Autodesk 360 Forge platform. Or another option is integration with the application which runs entirely in the browser, like Onshape. OpenBOM is integrated with this application in a very efficient way. So custom integrations will be are available as well, as also OpenBOM has REST API for custom integration. Moreover, if you, as we learned, OpenBOM can create link and upload data to cloud storages, and there are 4 cloud storages that are available out of the box, but custom integrations with custom cloud storages and enterprise storages are available as well. So that was Oleg with OpenBOM and our story about OpenBOM and cloud integration. I hope you liked it, and talk to you soon. Thank you very much.